Hi, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can make up to $500 per day with affiliate marketing using Google Ads. So as you can see here on my screen, I have had over 230 impressions. Now what are impressions? Impressions are basically, for example, views on your landing page or on your affiliate link. So all these are impressions, right? So uniques are then of course how many people open it, how many were clicked on, and I have had, as you can see, 5 signups and 2 sales. So basically 2 sales for $250 and I earned $500 US. So how is this done using Google Ads? Let me show you one special tool that you can use if you are using Google Ads or if you plan to use Google Ads. Now, as you can see, we are on Ubersuggest, right, by this website. So as you can see here, I typed in some keywords. So this is a great way to niche down your avatar, your customer avatar, right? So who is your audience? So the first of all, let's say that you're promoting supplement for back pain, right? People who are struggling with back pain. So if you type in the keyword back pain, you'll be able to see many different keyword ideas for free over here. As you can see here, we have volume and CPC. What is CPC? CPC mean how much are you paying per click, right? Cost per click. So for example, generic word, back pain, we are targeting only United States of America. Volume, search volume is 110,000 searches. So it means over 100,000 people every single month is looking for solutions to the back pain, or every single day. So basically they're looking for the solutions to the back pain. And cost per click is almost $3, 2.89. Now, if you're smart, you could use long tail keywords, and you can see over here, lower back pain stretches. We have 74,000 searches, and we have $1 per click. So you're paying almost 2 times less per click. You're paying $1 only per click. And if you have the right message to market match on your website or on your email copy, right? Whatever you're using. In this case, mini landing page, let's say mini website or landing or blog style advertorials, right? You can get some seriously great results if you know what you're saying. You have to connect your audience, right, who has problem, who have pain, with the solutions on this side. So when you connect them, you get results, right? So you can see you can use many different keywords. As you can see over here, we have back pain relief, we have lower back pain relief, right? Especially you have to target people who are looking for specific solution, right? The answer or the key here or the magic word is specific, right? Specific. You have to be specific, narrow down, and also focused, right? You have to have VIP audience. So how do you get them? I'm showing my clients or students exact strategies. I also give them done for them affiliate campaigns where they can basically set up done for them affiliate campaigns in first 48 to 72 hours and have it up and running so that you can start having results, so you don't have to waste money and time figuring out what works or what doesn't work, right? So the most important thing is to understand that we are looking for the people with buyer's intent, and that's why Google PPC is great traffic source if you want to have results and attract buyers, right? Because usually people are on Google to look for specific solutions to their problems. So if you have, let's say, the right message with your ad copy in your headline, text, and also then on your lander, if you pre-sell your audience correct way, right? The key answer here again is pre-sell. That's why it's called pre-sell page, right? Or landing page, right? Most people know it by landing page, and it goes also by pre-sell page, because the job of the landing page is not to sell. So 99.9% of affiliates do the biggest mistake, which is they use website as a means to sell, but it's not correct way. It's the wrong thing, right? If you want to have results with someone who understands this, you have to understand that landing page is about pre-selling your audience on the product, on the pain, and on the solution, right? So it's step-by-step process that if you design it in the correct manner, in the correct way, step by step, then you can have great results. You can start generating $200 or $500 days with even ClickBank affiliate marketing, right? So there are many different affiliate networks. You have traffic source, which is Google Ads, and on the other hand, you have mini website or landing page, which have to be structured in the correct manner so you can start generating results. You can even collect email and build basically responsive email lists, so you can make huge money also on the back end. So if you're watching this video and if you want to have results, then subscribe to my channel, and below this video are going to be links to my social media accounts or email where you can reach out to me, ask me any questions, and you can also get done for you affiliate campaign on Google. So basically we can together connect one-on-one, set up those affiliate campaigns, make sure all the keywords are correct, make sure you have buyer list, and then we can set up your actual ad campaign and make sure it's running. So again, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to smash the like button.